Hello, my name is Jeremy Banks. I'm the MeasureLink and Data Management Sales Specialist for Mitutoyo America. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a routine using the Inspection Wizard. Let's say that we want to create a new routine. The easiest way to create a new routine is to use the Inspection Wizard. To get to the Inspection Wizard, click on the Modules tab, and then select the icon for Inspection Wizard. The wizard will launch. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to specify the new part name. So we're going to click on the new part radio button, and then we're going to enter in the part name in the text box. So this part number is going to be example 896. I'm satisfied with this. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Normally the part name is going to be a combination of the name of the part and the part number. Now the software wants to know, what characteristics are we going to check? Let's say that I want to check inside diameter and outside diameter. So I'm going to go ahead and enter those in the characteristic name. I'm going to enter ID and OD. Now I also have to put in what type of characteristic it is. Both of these are going to be variables. I'm going to enter in the tolerance limits. So the lower limit, let's just keep it simple and say the lower limit is 1, the target is 2, and the upper is 3. I'm going to do the same thing for the outside diameter. I'm going to leave the subgroup size at 1. I'm satisfied with this screen, so I'm going to go ahead and hit next. This screen looks very similar. The biggest difference is now it wants to know what gauge I'm going to be using to collect the data. So under DAQ source, I'm going to check input tool. This allows me to use my caliper with my USB ITN connected to it. I'm going to use that for both ID and OD. I'm satisfied with this screen, so I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Now it wants a run ID. I'm going to go ahead and call this lot number 345 and then hit finish. It will create a new routine and a new run. The routine is named example 896. I entered that at the first screen. And the run is going to be called lot number 345. I entered that in the last screen. I have two characteristics, ID and OD. And the software is now ready to measure. So if I have my caliper connected to my ITN, I can go ahead and start measuring some data points, and it will automatically start populating. We're going to use the Inspection Wizard to create an additional routine. This routine is going to have more options. So we're going to go back to Modules. We're going to go back to Inspection Wizard. I'm going to create a new part. We're going to call this example 908. We are also going to measure ID and OD in this example. So I'm going to enter in the appropriate information in the fields as we go. This is similar to what we did just a minute ago. I'm going to keep the same USB ITN for the ID and the OD. Instead of hitting next, I'm going to hit advanced. Advanced allows us to set more advanced settings. For example, I can force my serial number to automatically be prompted. I can force my traceability to automatically be prompted. I'm going to hit next. I could add data tests. For example, I could force the assignable cause data test for out of tolerance. And I can also add traceability. So I'm going to use my traceability forced. Hit next. I'm going to give it a new lot number. So lot number 321. And I'm going to hit finished. So I'm going to create a new routine called example 908. I'm now running lot number 321. It has forced traceability. So now it's forcing me to enter the heat value and the operator information. And now I can collect data using my ITN. Very similar activity to what we just did, except I was able to add advanced functions like traceability and force data tests. So now if I measure something out of print, it's immediately going to ask for the assignable cause and corrective action. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact us at 888-MITUTOYO or our website, www.mitutoyo.com.